Hey guys, so today we're showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make your own IG GIFs for personal use or maybe even for your own shop. To start it off, we're starting with just simple doodling. We're planning out what stickers you want to make for our next release. So going straight to AI, we basically just recreated everything that we doodled a while ago, and here you can either just scan your drawings or just recreate it like what we did. And we're just playing with the color combinations here and whatnot. This is just really a trial and error process, just a fun and playful process. Just try to imagine what kind of stickers you'd want to see in Instagram and the other platforms. So now we're going to export it and save it as a Photoshop file. So how you can do that is go to File, Export As, and save it as a PSD file. Do note that you don't necessarily have to make it in AI itself. You can actually draw the stickers in Photoshop and edit and make it a GIF. After you export it, just open it, and here, the Photoshop file, what you want to do is open the timeline. So you can find that in the Windows tab and click on timeline so we can video edit this into an animation. So right now I'm actually planning to move the letters one by one so that it kind of makes like the wave movement. So here I'm trying to separate the letters into its own layers so that it'll be easier for me to actually edit it. And here in the timeline, you can actually see two types, so frame animation and video timeline. So for this example, we'll try out the video timeline. Video timeline actually just allows you to edit your objects just like how you would in other video editing softwares. So really, I'm just planning to make it simple. I'm just going to play with the positions of each letter one by one so that, as I mentioned, it'll make like a wave kind of movement. So once you think that your video timeline is okay, you can just replay it, check it out, see if it's good, if the timing is good. And to export your GIF, basically what you want to do is go to File, Export, and Save for Web. You want to make sure that when you export, by the way, that your matte is in none, so that when you export it, it'll be in a transparent background. So here's the GIF that we exported. As you can see, it plays a bit slow when I play it on desktop, but it's actually not that slow. So to upload in Giphy, all you need to do is make an account and just upload your files. But here, as you can see, Giphy can upload multiple file types. For our example, we'll just be uploading our new GIF. And here, as you can see, it's uploaded. What you want to do now is add tags to make your sticker searchable. And Giphy recently had this update where you can add suggested tags, so this can help you a lot in finding keywords that may be related to your GIF. And if you're making GIFs for your shop or personal use, don't forget to include your shop name as well. And there, it's uploaded. So let's try another example. So for our next example, we'll be exporting this thanks GIF. So same as a while ago, export your AI artboard into PSD, and this time we'll be using the frame animation. So for this, every movement would depend on your frames from the name itself. So I'm just going to make the letters pop out one by one, and you can do this by revealing a layer per frame. On the bottom of the frames, you can actually see the time length of each frame. For this, I made it to 0.3 seconds, while my last frame lasts for 4 seconds, just so that the GIF would stay for a bit longer before replaying from the start. So you can actually choose how long or how short you want the frames to be. Now, time to export it as a GIF. So if you remember to export as a GIF, go to File, Export As, and Save as Web. Here, make sure that your matte is none if you want to export it with a transparent background. I'm going to upload it in Giphy, so I'm adding tags to make it discoverable, as well as our own tag, #TheOwlDuo or #OwlDuo. And that's it. Making your own GIFs can be really simple. You can make your ideas go wild too if you wanted to. But these are some of the examples of how we made our GIFs for our own shop.
Send us some love and subscribe.
Just do it.